Welcome, friends, to this series of what you can get from cocoa. In the last episode, I shared with you how to make oil-free cocoa powder just like store-bought. That is getting rid of all the oil in the cocoa. In this episode, we'll be starting from where we stop. We'll be using our cocoa powder to make other things. In this episode, we'll be using our cocoa powder to make Milo. So I'll start by adding 21 grams of powdered sugar to my grinder. So after blending sugar and it becomes very smooth, I'll add to it 9.4 grams of cocoa powder, 21 grams of milk flavor. Then I also add to it 24 grams of milk powder. Mix them thoroughly together. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. After mixing them together with the blender, I'll add to it a pinch of salt, then mix together once again. After mixing all the dry ingredients together with the grinder, transfer into an airtight container. Then you have your Milo. If you've not been following this series of what you can get from cocoa, I'll let you know that we started from making refreshing juice from our cocoa seed. The second episode was on how to make cocoa butter. And the third episode on our series on what you can get from cocoa was on how to make cocoa powder. And today, which is episode 4 of the series, is Milo powder. At this point, if you don't have access to raw cocoa to follow us along, you can actually buy store-bought cocoa powder and follow the series. Can you guess what we'll be making with our cocoa powder in the next episode of the things you can get from cocoa? Please let me know in my comment section. Please like and share this video. Thanks for watching.